is it?
Please, go ahead.
The cases were for libel.
All right. Can you please tell us whether or not and when, if any, a decision was rendered in these cases?
A decision was rendered on September 5, 2001, sir.
How many decisions were rendered? Because you told me earlier there were 2 cases.
Only one decision, sir, because the 2 cases were consolidated.
Does that mean that they were heard jointly?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, what was the decision of the... Do you have a copy of that decision with you?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, the decision has been previously marked. Right?
Your Honor, please, we would like to manifest that the defense has already caused the marking of the same exhibit, and this is Exhibit 176 for the defense.
All right. Noted.
All right. Can you tell us, Madam Witness, what does the dispositive portion of the decision state? Can you please attest to the outcome of the decision?
We have already admitted, Your Honor, on the same, that there was a conviction.
Your Honor, I'm a little perplexed. I thought that there had been no admissions, precisely why I have been
Your Honor,
directed to
please.
proceed.
We have made several stipulations already on the matters. Now, perhaps counsel here would be able to propound questions on those matters which we have not stipulated upon.
I said disregard the stipulation. Let it be.
We will submit, Your Honor.
Direct the questions and subject to the objections of the prosecution.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I just therefore request that the clerk of court, who is here to certify the decision and to attest to its authenticity anyway, read the dispositive portion for the benefit of the record and all concerned.
Proceed. The witness may read the dispositive portion of the decision.
Wherefore, in criminal case number Q-96-68147, the court finds accused Jose Maria Basa III, Raimunda Gorospe Basa, and Virgilio Macabenta guilty beyond reasonable doubt of the crime charged in the information for libel, and the court sentences them to suffer the penalty of 4 months and 21 days as minimum to 1 year, 8 months, and 21 days as maximum, ordering them to pay jointly and solidarily Cristina Basa Rocco Corona the sum of 200,000 pesos moral damages and 50,000 pesos for attorney's fees. Accused Cecilia Henson Basa, Betsy Basa Ten Chavez, and Flor Maria Guidote Basa are hereby acquitted. In criminal case number Q-96-68148, the court finds accused Jose Maria Basa III, Raimunda Gorospe Basa, and Virgilio Macabenta guilty beyond reasonable doubt of the crime charged in the information for libel, and the court sentences them to suffer the penalty of 4 months and 21 days as minimum to 1 year, 8 months, and 21 days as maximum, ordering them to pay jointly and solidarily Cristina Basa Rocco Corona the sum of 200,000 pesos for moral damages and 50,000 pesos for attorney's fees. Accused Cecilia Henson Basa, Betsy Basa Ten Chavez, and Flor Maria Guidote Basa are hereby acquitted. Let warrant of arrest issue for the apprehension of accused Felix Carlos Vicentilio. So ordered. Quezon City, Metro Manila, September 5, 2001.
Thank you, Madam Witness. Your Honor, I would like to manifest that the decisions in both cases, the dispositive portions for both dockets are virtually identical, and that a total civil indemnity of 500,000 pesos was part of the judgment. Now, you mentioned
Wait a minute.
Yes, Your Honor.
I only heard 200,000 plus 20,000 and 200,000 plus 50,000. Why 500?
Your Honor, may we ask the witness to clarify?
Your Honor, in the first case, 200,000 pesos as moral damages,
Yes.
plus 50,000 pesos as attorney's fees.
I thought you said 20,000.
200,000, Your Honor.
No, the attorney's fees, 50,000.
50,000, sir.
In the
Your
first
Honor.
case.
Yes, sir.
And that's also true in the second case.
Yes, Your
All right,
Honor.
I stand corrected. So that's 500,000. Proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Now, you mentioned that the decision includes an order for the issuance of a warrant of arrest. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, can you please tell us, if anything appears on the record, what did the defendants who were convicted do after the judgment was rendered by the court? The decision was rendered by the court. What did the defendants do? The accused.
Actually, sir, they did not appear in the promulgation of judgment.
All right. What else did they do? Was there anything else they did?
They filed a motion for reconsideration.
They filed a motion for reconsideration, and if I recall correctly, that was dated September 2, 2002. Am I correct?
No, sir.
When was it filed? What was the date of the motion for reconsideration?
October 9, 2001, but filed before our court on October 18, 2001.
Filed what? The date was filed on October?
The motion was dated October 9, 2001, but the office or the court received said motion on October 18, 2001.
Thank you. Now, can you tell us, what did the court do with these motions for one motion for reconsideration or two?
One motion, sir.
What did the court do with this motion for reconsideration?
The motion for reconsideration was set for hearing.
What else? What was the resolution of the court
Ah.
on the motions for reconsideration?
The motion for reconsideration was denied
When was this denied?
on September 2, 2002, sir.
Do you have proof of the denial?
The order, sir.
Is there an order to
Yes,
that
sir.
effect? Can you please produce the order, Madam Witness? Na-mark na ba ito?
Just a minute, counsel. What's the relevance of this with respect to the impeachment?
Your Honor, as I was pointing out earlier, this will result in the acquisition of the shares of the Basa Guidote Corporation because of the civil indemnity. There is a levy on execution, but before that, I have to establish the finality of the judgment, Your Honor. Afterwards, we will show you that the shares of the corporation have been acquired by an individual.
Acquired by Mrs. Corona?
No, Your Honor, by someone else. And that has a direct bearing on the...
All right, proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Proceed.
So, you told me that it was resolved by order of the court on what date, Madam Witness?
On September 2, 2002, sir.
All right. And what was the resolution of the court on the order?
The dispositive portion, sir.
Yes, I think so.
Wherefore, finding no cogent reason to disturb or modify the decision dated September 5, 2001, the instant motion for reconsideration is denied.
Your Honor, may we request that the order denying the motion for reconsideration dated September 2, 2002 be marked as Defense Exhibit 249.
Mark it accordingly.
Your Honor, please, may the prosecution be allowed to likewise adopt the same as Exhibit 11O?
Granted.
Correction 11P, Your Honor.
P? Is that 11P?
All right, granted with that correction.
Can you tell us, Madam Witness, what is the status of that order denying the motion for reconsideration?
Sir, status
Yes, what is the status?
of the order denying the motion.
Yes, of the
for-
denial. What happened after the denial?
The prosecution filed a motion for issuance of a writ of execution.
What, did the accused filed anything?
No, sir.
Did the accused oppose?
No, sir.
Did the accused file an appeal or anything of the sort?
There was no appeal, sir.
No appeal. In other words, what is the status now of the denial of the motion for reconsideration?
It is already final.
Final as of when?
As 15 days from receipt.
And according to your records, what date is that, Madam Witness?
October 12.
What is the date of that, of the receipt by the accused, Madam Witness?
The counsel received the order of denial, sir, on September 26, 2002.
Your Honor, may we make of record that the witness is showing me what appear to be registry receipt return cards, which indicate that they were received on September 26, 2002, and I invite opposing counsel to peruse them. Okay? September 27, 1 day apart?
Hindi po ito po
9
yung
to
date ng order. Ito po stop card.
Yeah, your stamp po.
September 27. Saan po?
Oh, this was received by counsel, Madam Witness. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. Your Honor, may we request that the cards, which appear to be receipts, registry receipts, acknowledging receipt of the order denying the motion for reconsideration, be marked as Defense Exhibit 250.
We manifest
Mark it
that
accordingly.
we join, we confirm.
But, counsel,
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I stand corrected. These have been previously marked as 177-A. To be marked today as 177-A.
great, mark it accordingly. But, counsel, go direct to the point.
Yes, Your Honor.
This decision against Jose Basa et al. Became final and executory.
Yes, Your
All
Honor.
right. Was it executed?
The next question is precisely that.
You're too verbose. Go direct to the point.
Was a writ of execution issued by the court?
Yes, sir.
When?
On April 24, 2003. Sir.
All right. No further questions on the direct, Your Honor. We just have to mark the writ of execution.
Executed against what?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
That decision was executed against what?
Against the defendants, Your Honor, who were convicted.
Yes, and what was the effect of the execution?
That will be testified to by the sheriff, Your Honor, who is the next witness.
All right.
Your Honor, please, we would like to manifest. No, the defense already had this document marked as Exhibit 178. The writ of execution as 178. May we be allowed